Welcome to DIY Daze. This week we're going to be making bracelets using embroidery floss. The materials you're going to need are embroidery floss, scissors, and tape. We're going to start with a backward knot bracelet. Choose 2 or more colors that you'd like and measure them using your wingspan. Once all the strings are cut, fold them in half and make a loop on one end by tying a knot. Using some tape, tape your bracelet down to a countertop or a table. Start by separating all your strands of string in the pattern that you'd like. Start by taking the rightmost strand of the bracelet and placing it over top of the next one, forming a backwards 4. Put the end of the strand underneath the second string. Then, pull the string tight to the top of the bracelet. You have just created a backward knot. Using the same technique as before, place a second backward knot on the same strand. Repeat this process to all strands of the bracelet. Remember to add 2 backward knots to each strand. Always start a new row with the rightmost strand of the bracelet. As you continue adding knots, your bracelet will start to form. Once you have your desired length, tie a knot at the end of the bracelet. Then braid the strands. Tie the braid securely with a knot. Now you have completed the backward knot bracelet. Moving on to the staircase bracelet, pick a few colors that you like. Once you've taped your bracelet down, take the color you'd like to start with. Place it over the other strands, forming the number 4. Then take the end and pull it underneath the other strands and pull tight to the top. This is called a forward knot. Continue this knot with the same color for as long as you'd like. When you want to switch colors, simply take the new color and continue using the same knots. Once your bracelet is at the desired length, tie it off with a knot, and there you have it, your very own staircase bracelet. Once you've mastered the backwards and forwards knot, you can make a chevron bracelet such as the purple one. I hope you enjoyed this week's DIY Daze. Join us next week for another craft.